In a world grappling with increasing water scarcity, responsible water management is paramount. ISO 46001 2019 provides a comprehensive framework for water management. It empowers organizations to reduce consumption and waste. The standard is adaptable for any business size. Clause 8.1 focuses on operational planning and control. It translates goals into tangible actions for water efficiency. Clause 8.1 of ISO 46001 2019, titled Operational Planning and Control, drives water efficiency within an organization. It provides a framework to plan, implement, and monitor water usage across all activities. This clause ensures water efficiency is integral to daily operations. It breaks down operational planning into establishing criteria, implementing controls, maintaining documentation, managing changes, and controlling outsourced processes. These components ensure optimized water consumption aligned with efficiency goals. Imagine you're a baker. You wouldn't just throw ingredients together without a recipe, would you? The same principle applies to water use in any organization. Establishing clear criteria is like creating that essential recipe for water efficiency. This starts with identifying all processes that use water. Think of everything from manufacturing processes to landscaping activities. Once identified, each process needs its own set of water use parameters. These parameters act as benchmarks for efficient operation. For instance, a car wash might establish a maximum water usage per car wash cycle. A hotel could set targets for water consumption per guest per night. The key is to define measurable and achievable parameters that align with the organization's overall water efficiency goals. These criteria provide a clear understanding of what efficient water use looks like for each process. They act as targets to strive for and benchmarks against which actual water consumption can be measured. Section 4. Implementing effective operational controls. Once you have your water use recipe, it's time to start cooking. This is where operational controls come into play. They are the tools and procedures that ensure your water use stays within the defined parameters. Think of operational controls as the settings on your oven. Just like you adjust the temperature and timer to bake the perfect cake, operational controls help regulate and monitor water use in real time. These controls can be simple, like installing low-flow shower heads in hotels, or implementing rainwater harvesting systems for irrigation. They can also be more complex, involving automated systems that monitor water pressure, detect leaks, and optimize water use in industrial processes. The key is to select controls that are appropriate for the specific process and the organization's resources. Regular monitoring and maintenance of these controls are crucial to ensure their effectiveness over time. Section 5. Maintaining robust documentation and records. Remember that detailed recipe you created for water efficiency? Now, imagine trying to recreate that perfect dish years later without any written instructions. Documenting your operational planning and control procedures is like keeping a meticulous recipe book for your organization's water management system. Thorough documentation serves multiple purposes. It provides a historical record of water usage, allowing for trend analysis and informed decision-making. It ensures continuity in the event of staff changes, as new personnel can easily understand and follow established procedures. Furthermore, it serves as evidence of compliance with ISO 46001 2019 requirements. This documentation should include details of established water use criteria, implemented operational controls, monitoring data, maintenance records, and any corrective actions taken. The information should be readily accessible to relevant personnel and kept up to date to reflect any changes in processes or equipment. Section 6. Managing changes and outsourced processes. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, change is inevitable. New processes might be introduced, equipment might be upgraded, or parts of the operation might be outsourced. Clause 8.1 recognizes this dynamic nature and emphasizes the need to manage changes effectively to ensure continued water efficiency. When introducing any changes, organizations need to assess their potential impact on water consumption. This assessment should be integrated into the planning stage of any new project or process modification. If a change is identified as having a significant impact on water use, appropriate adjustments must be made to the established water use criteria and operational controls. Outsourcing, while potentially beneficial for various reasons, introduces a unique set of challenges for water management. Organizations need to ensure that their contractors or service providers adhere to the same water efficiency standards. This might involve incorporating specific clauses in contracts, conducting audits, or providing training to ensure alignment with the organization's overall water management system. Section 7. Benefits and conclusion: a sustainable future with ISO 46001-2019. Embracing ISO 46001-2019 and diligently implementing the requirements of Clause 8.1 is not just about ticking boxes for compliance. It's about making a conscious commitment to environmental stewardship and reaping the multifaceted benefits that come with it. From a financial standpoint, reducing water consumption directly translates into cost savings. Lower water bills, reduced wastewater charges, and decreased energy consumption for water heating all contribute to a healthier bottom line. Furthermore, adopting sustainable practices enhances brand reputation and strengthens stakeholder relationships. Consumers, investors, and employees are increasingly drawn to businesses that prioritize environmental responsibility. Beyond the tangible benefits, implementing ISO 46001-2019 fosters a culture of awareness and responsibility within the organization. Employees become mindful of their water usage habits, leading to a ripple effect that extends beyond the workplace and into their personal lives. In conclusion, mastering ISO 46001-2019 Clause 8.1 is not a destination but a journey towards continuous improvement. By embracing the principles of operational planning and control, organizations can pave the way for a future where water resources are valued, conserved, and managed sustainably. This is not just about safeguarding our environment, it's about securing a prosperous and sustainable future for generations to come.